Good morning, boys and girls. I am Priyanka. Today I would like to explain the concept of data handling for CBSE class 7. So with this, let us understand the concepts of mean, mode, median. And we do data handling, we segregate the data. The data handling itself explains that you have to segregate the data. So for that we use different techniques, like once we might use the mean method, once we might need a mode method, and the other time it could be median. So when to use what, that is what we have to understand. So when we have to take an average, this average is the term we quite keep listening to. That is, say in a hostel there are 30 boys and they eat rotis. One might eat 3 rotis, one might eat 4 rotis, one might eat 2. So we have to take the average to understand how many rotis to cater to these boys. So there comes the average. So the mean can be explained as sum by total number. So like I explained, let us assume that the sum of the rotis made are 50 and there are, let us assume that there are 10 boys. So the average is 5 rotis. So each boy could consume 5 rotis. So this can be as one can eat 6, one can eat 5, one can eat 6 again, one can eat 5 plus 6 plus 6 15. So this is 130, 45 plus 5, 50. And 1 is nothing. So the 10. The average of the 10 students who ate rotis. So we can calculate this as the sum by total number of students. Sum of the rotis eaten by total number of students. That is how we calculate the mean. Let us see the topic of mode. So the mode is, we use this mode when we have to understand the frequency of the data. Say I have a shirt, I am a seller. So I have 90 centimeters with me, 100 centimeters and 120 centimeters. And the most sold product is, I sold 90 centimeters shirt, 15 in number, and 100 centimeters I have sold 5, and 120 centimeters I have sold only 2. So if you look at the data, the most sold shirts are in the size of 90 centimeters. So I can say that this is my mode. That is the repetitive way of the data. Say we have a data of 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3. So I can say my mode is 2, which is frequently occurring. In this case, we cannot take the mean, because you cannot average the shirt sizes to arrive at a conclusion which is selling at the most. With our requirement to understand the most sold good, we have to go with the number of the shirts sold in particular size. So here the more number of shirts are 15. So that's why we understand the mode to be 15 here. This is mode. And coming to the median, this is the central tendency. Like on a line of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, say. So this is the central tendency, if you see. So 7. Let us understand till 7. So here 3, here 3. So 4 is my median. 4 is my median. 4 is my median. So that we can arrive as the lowest plus highest divided by 2. That is my median. Say I can give one example, like we have to calculate the average size of the students in a class. So one could be 150 centimeters, one could be 155 centimeters, one could be 145 centimeters. So I have students in different numbers. In 145 centimeters I can have 5 students, and in 155 centimeters where I have only 2 students, and 150 centimeters I have 5 students. So we put them on the number line like this, like 150, 150, 160, 170, so on and so forth. So we take the central tendency. So we calculate with respect to the center value. That is how the median is calculated. Thank you very much. I hope you like the data handling concept. You understand it. Thank you.